Good morning, E-Wheels. This is the commander that I was working on. This is the button that I replaced. It turns on with a few seconds of a hold, but it doesn't want to turn off. The way I'm turning it off, it's balancing, but the way I have to turn it off is through here. Hold on one second. I unplugged. I'm gonna let it reset for a few seconds, and I'll plug it back in. Sparky spark. All right, we're back connected. Button. You gotta hold it. Fan comes on. It's not balancing, right? Doesn't balance. Eventually it will, hopefully. Now it's balancing. But I'll try to turn it off. Buttons pressed. Not activating the headlights. Nothing. Alrighty, wheels. Thank you for watching my video. It's Electric Chicago.